how to turn off or disable Windows Firewall for Windows 11. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable turn off Windows Firewall from your Windows 11 operating system. It's just very simple. It's just quick steps ahead. Now go into the Windows search and type in firewall. You're going to have to see a lot of options here, but what you want to have to choose is, of course, Windows Defender Firewall that is specifically located on your control panel. In here, you will have these options at your left side, and then choose on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And then this is basically how you can turn this off. You just have to choose on Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and then on the other hand as well. Take note that if you turn this off, your PC or your operating system can be affected with some malwares or viruses, and then you just have to make sure to turn this thing back on and then hit on OK. And that's it. That's how you turn off or disable Windows Firewall for Windows 11.